This video illustrates a problem in setting up a water model using the WEAP platform. Specifically, what I found out is the order the transmission links are added matters. So in this simple example, we have 4 rivers and one water demand node. All the 4 rivers have the exact same head flow that we can see here. The demand node has some kind of water demand in this time period. It doesn't really matter, but what matters is we won't be changing that demand at all. So first, we will be adding the transmission links from river 1 into the water demand node, and then from river 2 into the demand node, so far and so on. These 4 transmission links have the following supply preferences. So the first 2 rivers have a preference value of 1, the third river has a preference value of 2, and the last river has a preference value of 3. The flow in these transmission links are limited as follow. For river 2 and 4, we have these maximum cubic meters per second, and for river 1 and 3, we have this maximum percent of demand. During these experiments, these maximum values will always be the same. So we run the model and WEAP will ask to recalculate. So the results here are the flow of water that is transmitted annually in each transmission link. In the second experiment, we will delete all the transmission links and flip the order of which these links are added. So we will start by adding the last one from river 4 to the node. And the last transmission links that is added is the first river to the demand node. Again, we will make sure that the supply preferences are the same and make sure that the maximum flow allowed is the same as the previous case. We run the model and we will obtain these results. As you can see here, the results are completely different from the ones we obtained in the first experiment. As a last experiment or trial, we will only delete these 2 transmission links and add them back in a new order, and then make sure that the characteristics of the transmission links correspond to the first and second trial, and then run the model and see that the results we obtain are again different than the ones we got in the first and second trial.